Okay. Hi. Good morning. This is Srinivas Reddy, science teacher, biology teacher in JPHS Pamlakurti. Our science laboratory has developed a toolbox, a set of tools which are being used in the daily school life for plumbing purpose, water supply, sanitation, cooking purpose, and a laboratory or benches, furniture repair, all these purposes. We use different tools. So we made a set of tools which we are going to use in a daily school life. Now we can watch what are the tools used for the daily usage in our school day. Actually, this is a box, empty box we got in our scrap. We are using to this one as the open, unlock it. So there are different compartments in the box. We can put all these tools. Number one, the wrench, nail puller, hammer, multi-purpose tool, punch, cutting plier, screwdrivers, and valve lever. This is such. So we need many more tools. So we can keep all these tools in a single box. Now our student will arrange the setup. Naveen, you arrange it. Cap this one. Look at the video. Now he is arranging all the tools in the box. Nails. Molar ఉండే కదా మేకులు అక్కడ అది తెలుసు మొలది ప్యాకెట్ ఉండే కదా అందులో ఓకే క్విక్ ఓకే షట్